Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share the winner to the Peachy Keen Stamps $30 gift certificate giveaway. Remember, you had to be a U.S. resident and at least 18 years old or older. Also, the winner of this giveaway will need to contact me with their email address. And that winner is, Metalark001. You have until February 5th, which is Monday night, by midnight to get in contact with me. Otherwise, I'll have to draw another winner. All right, and you can use my email address or Instagram to get in contact with me, sending me that information. Also, everyone, make sure you visit the other ladies. We have Jillian Norwood, which is the host of Saturday Morning Makes. Then we also have Lisa, which is usually Why I'm a Diva, and Gloria's Cards, which is Gloria, and they're the hosts of hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Thank you so much, Peachy Keen, for sponsoring this giveaway. We are so appreciative, and we just wanted to thank you. Now on to Saturday Morning Makes and hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our cards into hashtag Sat More Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so this week's theme, we had alphabet dies. Next week's theme will be anything with a heart. Yes, Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, and so we're giving you the opportunity to start your Valentine creations. All right, so let's just go ahead and show you what I am using today. So I picked these up from W+9 and got these for a good deal. So I'm using these, and these are the colors that I based my cards on. So I'm using this as well as this one. And then here goes my alphabet dies that I'm using. I'm using CC Designs from here. And then this one I picked up from, I don't know, either eBay or the other one. Can't think of the name of it. But anyways, I'm using these. This I'm using Hooray. And this I'm using This Birthday. And this is from Pure and Simple. W+9, when I purchased those little enamel dots, I also purchased this. And I'm using this sentiment here. Pretty Pink Posh, I'm using the Build-A-Gift. I didn't want this to be a one and done, so I thought I'd pull that out. And then the Gina Marie set, I'm using the largest one. Start out by sliding these in here. I thought these turned out so cute, and like I said, my inspiration was from this. And I thought those were so pretty, so pretty. And so take a closer look. I did add some iridescent spray on there, and I also did the paint splatter in the background using my paints, but I forgot to get that. But anyways, yeah, I'm using the paint splatter on those, and I just mixed and matched all the colors there. Just so pretty. And there goes that one. That one's red on the inside, and then here goes this one. Pretty much the same, except for this one is HB to you, or Happy Birthday to you, and it says Hooray there, and there goes that one. And then this one here, Happy Birthday, and this one I put that color in the inside. When I made these, I just thought they were so pretty, and my daughter wanted these, so I had said I would go ahead and send her those, but I was kind of saddened, so I had to make another set. So that's where I use this for my inspiration. And when I started making these, I was just like, man, I like these better than the other ones because they're so pretty. And so when she seen these, she wanted these instead of the other ones. And so I did swap, but I almost regretted it because I love these better. But pretty much the same thing. I mixed all the colors up here and then just added those enamel dots, and I also used the paint splatter in the background, and then I also alternated the colors in the inside. So we got that color there, the HB2U, Hooray, green in there. And this one, yay, hope your birthday is extra. And this one is the orange. All right, so those are my cards for this week. Make sure you check out all the pictures at the end and join in on these challenges and use those hashtags. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.